Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is second question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter, its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? So breadth हम assume कर लेंगे x meter assumed. So हमें length के लिए given है it's 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So हो जाएगा 2x plus 2. हमें यहाँ पे perimeter given है. So perimeter of rectangle ये हमें 2 into L plus B. So हो जाएगा ये हमें given है 154 is equal to 2 into length given है 2x plus 2 plus x. 154 is equal to 2 into 3x plus 2. 2 से 150 और कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 2 से 1 जा 14, 2 से 1 जा 14. सो हो जाएगा 77 इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 2. सो 3x इज इक्वल टू 77 माइनस 2. सो x इज इक्वल टू 75 बाई 3 से हो जाएगा. 3 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 15. 25 मीटर. सो लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 into 25 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter, and breadth is equal to x is equal to 25 meter. So हमें find out करनी थी what are the length and the breadth. So length हो जाएगी 52 meter and breadth 25 meter. Thank you.